Situation remains tensed in Manipur. There has been 20 additional companies of CAPF which has been deployed in Manipur from Assam and Tripura. Emergency 20 companies CAPF have been deployed in Manipur. Top sources in administration tell CNN News 18 and whole alertness has been given. But the concern point is that the day before yesterday, that means on Monday, when the attack took place on the CRPF, at that point of time there were 6 people who went missing, out of which there are 3 children. Those missing and the women were also there. So those missing people have still not been found. Though Manipur police, CRPF and forces, they are doing a combing operation, a joint combing operation, but still now these 6 people, there is no trace of these 6 people. Meitei side are claiming that they have been kidnapped from the Kuki side. On the other hand, there has been no hostage phone till now from the other side or something like that. On the other hand, we find that the Kuki people, the indigenous tribal people, they have stated that they are not going to cooperate in any way with the CRPF because they believe that the CRPF are one-sided. Situation remains tense. Yesterday, a truck was also burned down. But since Wednesday night, since last night, there has been no untoward incident, but the administration is keeping strong vigil. One thing is very clear that has been cleared from the administration, that anybody who is taking arms in hand, strict punishment will be given and strict action will be taken on them. This is very much clear, that has been stated by the administration. There has been the fact that 20 companies, additional CAPF, have been deployed again in Manipur, clearly shows that the situation is volatile. And after the 10 people who were killed, 10 militants, according to the CRPF, the 10 militants who were killed according to the administration, this definitely can have a retaliation. From the indigenous tribal people, they are stating that they were village volunteers and they were caught and they were fired and the dead bodies were also not treated properly. There has been demand of the post-mortem. There is one person from CRPF who got affected and he has been hospitalized in Silchar. His condition also remains to be critical, but overall there seems to be no solution in Manipur. Till now it is burning. Things have fallen, it just deteriorated drastically after the attack of Jiribam, and right now the flashpoint is Jiribam, where this incident took place. It all started from last week and it's continuing. 20 companies of additional CAPF. Will that actually have changed things? That is to be seen. Both the state government and the central government, they are keeping a very, very, very strong vigil on every development. But even after that, since there is a problem between the two communities, the Kuki sides are claiming a lot of things. The Meitei sides are also claiming that their people are getting killed. Kuki sides are saying their people are getting killed. And there is this, amidst all this, 6 people are missing. That's a concern area for the administration.